According to psychology, there are some very interesting facts about love that you must know. So let's start without any delay. When you are sad or depressed without any reason, then you are definitely remembering someone at that time. We become more attached to someone. Psychology says that when you are in love with someone, then your personality automatically starts improving. Psychology says that when you are stuck between two options, then most of the time your first option is the right one. Psychology says that the chances of it staying with you for the whole life increase. According to psychology, if you remember a person every moment, then it is a sign that that person also remembers you every moment. According to psychology, those who say early that I do not pay much attention to myself and they do not have time to dress up much. The most powerful thing in the world is the beauty of a girl. If you are intelligent, then you must be believing in this. For which it is said that the intense feelings of love can take away our pain. When our heart is in pain or we are going through any emotional pain, then by looking at our partner's picture or just talking to them, we feel 10 times better because when you are in true love, then a hormone called dopamine starts releasing from your brain, which makes you feel the happiest. A research has found that if a person is in a dangerous situation with a girl, then not every boy wants to flirt or hook up with girls. Some boys also believe in true love and staying together forever. When you are in true love with someone, then this is the best emotion of your life.